Hi guys, how are you today? In this video, we are going to talk about electricity, especially how to make a simple circuit that lights the lamp. To make it, we need a battery, wire, light bulb. The battery has two poles, namely the positive pole and negative pole. Same with the battery, the light bulb also has two different poles, this one and this one. Before we practice, we need to prepare that materials. Okay, this is circuit 1. First, I put a battery here and connect all wires to the negative pole of battery. The first wire, this one, and the second wire to the negative pole. After that, I wrap this one wire to this pole of light bulb and connect the other wire to the other pole of light bulb. Let's see what happens. The bulb does light up or the bulb doesn't light up. Circuit 2. First, I put a battery here and connect one wire to the negative pole of battery, this one, and the other wire to the positive pole of battery. After that, I wrap this one wire to this pole of light bulb and connect the other wire to the other pole of light bulb. What happens? Let's see that bulb doesn't light up or the bulb does light up. Circuit 3. First, I put a battery here and connect one wire to the negative pole of battery, this one, and the other wire to the positive pole of battery. After that, I wrap this one wire to this pole of light bulb and connect the other wire to the other pole of light bulb. Let's see what happens. The bulb does light up or the bulb doesn't light up. Circuit 4, or the last circuit. First, I put a battery here and connect one wire to the negative pole of battery and the other wire to the positive pole of battery. After that, I wrap all wires to this pole of light bulb. Let's see what happens. The bulb does light up or the bulb doesn't light up. Now you can draw all the circuit to the box provided in page 1 of your worksheet. For page 2, please answer it by making a circuit in your home. Ask your parents to help you prepare the materials and guide you to make a circuit. Do not forget to record video how you make a circuit that lights the lamp. Thank you, good luck, and goodbye.